Hello everyone. Welcome to Canada Tour. A big thank you to all our new subscribers. We truly appreciate your support. If you're new here, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more videos about life and opportunities in Canada. Today, we're talking about buying versus renting houses in Canada and how to decide which option works best for you. Let's get started. Renting in Canada. Pros. 1. Lower upfront costs. 2. More flexibility, especially for newcomers. 3. No maintenance or repair expenses. Cons. 1. You don't build equity. 2. Rent can increase over time. 3. Limited control over the property. Renting is a good option for students, new immigrants, or anyone not ready to settle long-term. Buying a home in Canada. Pros. 1. Builds long-term wealth through equity. 2. More stability and freedom. 3. Potential increase in property value. Cons. 1. High upfront costs. 2. Ongoing expenses like taxes and maintenance. 3. Less flexibility if you want to move. Buying is ideal if you have stable income and plan to stay in one place for several years. There's no one right answer. Renting offers flexibility, while buying offers long-term stability and investment. The best choice depends on your finances, lifestyle, and future plans. Key factors to consider before deciding. Ask yourself, 1. How stable is my income? 2. How long do I plan to stay in this city or province? 3. Can I afford a down payment and emergency repairs? 4. Am I comfortable with long-term financial commitment? In cities like Toronto and Vancouver, renting may be more affordable short-term, while buying in smaller cities can offer better value. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching Canada Tour. We'll see you in the next video.